God gave me large pores, and as I've gotten older, the problem's only gotten worse. I didn't think there was anything I could do about it until I got a facial one day and the esthetician told me to research glycolic acid, and what a difference. Check out these before and after pictures. Here's what I looked like just about a year ago before I started doing glycolic acid peels, and look at what my skin looks like today. I want to show you how I did this and what products I use, so stick around. A product that costs very little money and really works amazingly. So check out this video and stick around to the very end, because I do have some cautions and some tips to make it work its very best. I went from oily giant pores to my skin looking smooth and nice small pores in just a couple of months with an at-home treatment that wasn't very expensive. So I want to tell you how I did it. First of all, you need to start off with a very clean face. Remove any makeup or any skin products that you have and just have a completely fresh face. Next, you're going to take your petroleum jelly and you're going to apply it all around your eye area, including your eyelid, and also around your nose area. And I put it on my lips as well because I don't want the glycolic acid peel to touch that area. Anything you want to protect. If you have any open wounds, like I have a burn up here from my curling iron, anything like that, you want to go ahead and cover those things up with the petroleum jelly. So you take the glycolic acid and you put several drops on your face. I like to start with my forehead first, and then my cheeks. Make sure you get over here on the far sides of where your eyebrows are, because that area gets a lot of sun. Get it all over one side of your face and then all over the next side. Get your chin and your nose. I also do my upper lip sparingly. That's really sensitive skin right there, so I don't want to do too much. Last thing you want to have on hand is some baking soda. So the kind of baking soda you probably have in your kitchen is absolutely perfect. Go ahead and bring that into the bathroom with you where you're going to be doing your peel. You'll need that to neutralize the acid afterward. Once your 5 minutes is up, you want to go ahead and rinse that glycolic acid out. I like to use a solution of plain water and a little bit of baking soda. I don't measure it, I just dump the baking soda right into my sink and I use that and splash it on my face. It kind of makes a little sizzle kind of a sound, and it's doing that because the baking soda is stopping the acid. Then what I do is go take a shower and I wash my face really good with soap and water twice. I wash it twice just to make sure that all the glycolic acid has gotten off, and then I hop out of the shower and I'm ready. So I want to show you what that looks like. I'm not an esthetician or dermatologist or any kind of an expert. I just want to share with you what's worked really well for me. So here's what I looked like earlier today before the glycolic acid treatment. And here's what I look like now after the glycolic acid treatment. I'm also going to show you a picture of what I look like tomorrow. So I'll take a picture of me tomorrow and I'll post that up too after I edit the video. Because after I spend the night and I give my skin a good moisturizing, it's going to calm down a little bit, and that's when it looks its absolute best, about the next day. So glycolic acid peel was the #1 thing that's really worked for me to get those pores down to a reasonable size. I'm sure you can tell there's some residual pinkness going on, some redness in my skin. This will have died down somewhat by tomorrow, but overall I think it's looking really, really nice. So much for watching this video. It was really great to have you looking over my shoulder. And if you decide to try the glycolic acid peel, I'd really like to see what your results are. So comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Take care.